Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update today. And we are looking for Solana to make some sort of a bullish engulfing candlestick on the weekly time frame, but it's nonsense on the daily though that you're doing something like this. Now what is happening in this case? Now one can say that if I try to dive into the 4-hour time frame, is Solana looking to move up to $19? You know, I told you about this one scenario yesterday or in the last update that Solana is moving up, but unfortunately what you have here is something that you don't want to see, and that is you're just coming back and getting rejected right there, getting rejected right over here. But let me tell you one thing, this can turn into a left shoulder, a head, and a potential right shoulder that they can try to build right here. So that could be a bullish pattern in the making, and if this bullish pattern is coming out in the making, then you pop out of the neckline, come back for the retest at the 14.73, and then boom, that's it. You're looking for that big move to 19.68. Is it possible? It could be possible because we're looking at a bullish engulfing on the weekly time frame. And by the way, there are 4 days left to close the signals. Anyone interested to join that can join the signals. The link is in the description of the video, and you can always come here to this Discord, click on the announcement, and check out this video on how to join. So going back to the Google, I do want to search in here bullish engulfing, and let's talk about the bullish engulfing, because I'm not biased. I'm not biased on anything. So this is the kind of a candle that we have for Solana. One red candle, but the green candle is bigger and overtakes the red candle. Now look at the weekly time frame. Isn't this the same thing? It's absolutely the very same thing. If I just remove this one right here, I'm just going to drop a blue line on $19.6 for the technical target of the inverse and shoulder. Now if you look at it that way, you do have that red candle, but it's smaller. The green candle overtakes the red candle, which shows we could have a little bit of a pull back up to even 19.6. But keep in mind, it doesn't really mean that you're not looking to drop furthermore to the downside. Actually, I will never be surprised if Solana decides to even move back up to $29 and try to backtest $29 before moving lower to the $4 region area. Okay, the only way that I want to see Solana being invalidated not to go down to $4 is to actually cross $39. And once we cross $39 or $47 and destroy the whole pattern, destroy this head and shoulder pattern that I showed you, destroy this bear flag, which technical target isn't met just yet, and come back up like this, and boom, so you destroy every single bearish pattern that you have, and you flip to the other side, and then we talk about the uptrend. A proper uptrend begins once $47 is going to be crossed. Back in the days when we were down at nearly $58, I was saying that it's important to move above $145. Now when we moved down to $27, I said it's important to cross $48, and even now when you're down here, it's still again important to cross $47. So $47 is the point of invalidation of not going down to $4, but that's very far. That's really very far. But what I'm trying to say here is that we saw a potential inverse head and shoulder on the 4-hour time frame trying to be created. Is it possible that you break it and try to go to $19? Anything is possible. So for that one, you still have one more evidence, and that is the bullish engulfing. Maybe by the end of the day, this bullish engulfing can do something and help Solana to really break this resistance line, liquidate people all the way up to $19, and then finally continue even lower to the $4 and the $6. So that's pretty much it for this Solana video update, but it's all about breaking the resistance line and backtesting, which you haven't really done just yet. And if you want to learn more as well, I do have the video, the course, 19-20 hours of course, man, for you to learn everything in detail. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.